We got a pretty full Amazon package this week. We're gonna open it up and unbox what we got and do some mild redecorating. So this week we got another Amazon package. There's quite a bit in here. I'm pretty sure I know what's in here, so after we unbox this stuff and get it all out and organized, we're gonna do some mild redecorating. You kind of see in the corner here the lanterns up there. I got a couple more, so we're gonna rearrange those and add from the last unboxing thing, or maybe it was a Halloween decor, my little skull fern things. We're gonna add those to those and just make them look a little fancier and just different. But let's get started. Just open this up and I'm gonna pick straight off the top. You might recognize that pattern. It's a classic composition book cover for my iPad. My current one is quite old and just kind of falling apart and just crazy and old and whatnot, so we'll swap it over and add some different stickers to this one, and they'll be kind of, you know, might look better on this actually. The stickers and everything make it look like an old composition book. Much better. Much better. I'll add stickers and whatnot later on, but a lot cleaner and a lot newer. This is a simple one. I won't even really open it. 3M double-sided tape. It's automotive grade. If you follow along a few projects ago, I made a business sign for a barbershop downtown. They liked it and wanted me to do another one and a couple other small things, but the other big sign is going to be basically a big shield type, similar to what I did before, but since it's less pieces and kind of bigger, I kind of convinced them that we're gonna just mount it directly to the wall and be like its own thing. It's not gonna have like a backboard or anything, and we're gonna use 3M double-sided tape to do that. This stuff is super strong. It'll hold, I mean, it's automotive grade. You can put on a spoiler or side skirts or whatever with just that. You don't even need screws, and it will hold pretty well. I have a spoiler on my car currently that I've used it for, and it's been on there for the past couple years since I bought it. So on to the next, which is this. Sometimes I see stuff or I hear about something and I just kind of buy it, and whether I use it or not. Probably a good example of that would be a variety pack of like herbal teas and stuff. I do use it here and there, but I forget about it, and I have a bunch that I haven't even tried yet. But this is eucalyptus that you hang from your shower, and just kind of, it helps aerate, and you know, you breathe it in while you shower, and it's just herbal and nice and whatnot. I don't remember exactly what it's supposed to do, but so we'll just simply hang that in the shower and let it do its thing. And it's very aromatic. I can smell it just by opening the box. That's crazy. But again, just one of those random things. And now on to the main bits here. I'm pretty sure this is a hook. It's actually two hooks, I forgot. And not this one, but over here behind you is my little hallway. And I have one side that kind of has them draping. I'm gonna do the other side and make it like a little archway thing. I think it will look pretty neat. but these are simple plant hooks. This mounts onto the wall, this slips in here, and there's a little pin on the bracket that holds this in place wherever you kind of want it to be, and that's what I use to hang the lanterns. It works pretty well, and you know, if I ever switch it up and change it, I can hang plants from this or whatever. But we'll end up saving this one, and then we'll use this one over here, like I was saying, to kind of create that after we open the rest of these boxes. We'll start off with this bigger one. Again, these are like Moroccan lanterns, I think that's what they're called. I'm not really sure, but you kind of see them hanging up in the corner. They're basically just a decorative lantern. You put like fake candles or whatever on the inside to light them up and make them glow and look cool. And some of them you can just kind of place, you know, you could even like place them on like a side table or whatever. They have like a base to them. I think this, yeah, this one does not. You can see the base kind of tapers off, so this one wouldn't work that way, but some of them do, and you can kind of work them however you want. But this one will be strictly hung, and again, you can kind of get the effect there. You can, you know, they also come with chain to hang them, which is super cool. You know, you don't have to worry about figuring all that out, and they simply snap it on and hang it up. And the final two, again, a couple more. These things can get kind of pricey. I think that bigger one on its own was about 20 bucks. These two on their own are about 25-ish or something like that. I don't remember exactly, but these are obviously smaller, so that makes sense. But that's also why I didn't buy a ton of them. They can get a little pricey after you add them all up. I already have 6 of them hanging, so of various sizes. And I only wanted a couple more, just to, mainly this section over here, to make it a little more even and look a little bit better. And again, pretty much same thing, just much smaller. Compare sizes, it's about half the size or so. So you get the idea. And also, if you look these up, you can get them in many different like colors, as far as like the outside can be brass or black or whatever, and then the glass colors change from red, green, blue, purples, whatever. So you can kind of, if you have a certain vibe you're going for, you can really pick and choose what you want. And I kept them all pretty much like red and orange glass with like the bronze or a darker metal outer piece, because that's kind of what I like to go for. But with all those open, that's the last one. We're gonna clean up a little bit, and then we're gonna switch you around, and we're gonna do a little bit of reorganization. So there you have it, super simple one. I just wanted to, you know, do that quick little redecoration, did the little in my corner over there. But super simple, super quick. If you like what you saw, hit the thumbs up, it really helps. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe. I'm usually over here doing some sort of art, home decor, stuff like this. Who knows? Leave in the comments below what I should do next. See you on the next one.